Hello, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is July the 28th and I pulled up my potatoes. So I wasn't even going to do a video because the harvest wasn't super great and it's sort of boring to dig potatoes up out of the ground. But I did get a fair amount of harvest, and I did do a video of planting them. So I'll have to go back and look at that video to see exactly what I planted and where, but I think I planted all Yukon Gold. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what we got. Okay, I think I planted a row through here, which I dug up, and there's the harvest I got from them. So I definitely got more than I planted, which is a success in my book. Last year I think I planted them too late, and this year I think I planted them too early. So maybe next year I'll get it right. Alright, so there was that row, and then I had two rows through here. So I dug them up out of here, and there's the pile. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of these nice round ones in, because these are called new potatoes when you just pull them up from the ground, and they are awesome tasting if you like cook them and put some butter on them, and they will be awesome. Alright, well, I'll put the links to my video of where I planted the potatoes in one of these corners. Maybe a link to my potato playlist and my subscribe link with the flower with the bee in it in one of these corners when I have a chance. But I sort of like just doing a video just fast and posting it really quick. So that's what I did today. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support, and have a blessed day.